It starts with a little more space, a little more freedom, a different way to experience the road. Designed for the next generation of RV travel, Arcadia brings a fresh approach to function, design, and how you live on the road. And with Arcadia full-size fifth wheels, that difference shows up everywhere. Higher ceilings that open the space, taller slide rooms that give you room to move, more storage so nothing gets left behind, and increased fresh water capacity, giving you the freedom to stay out longer and travel farther with confidence. This is a new standard for 3/4-ton towable RVs, built for more than just the weekend. From quick escapes to full seasons on the road, Arcadia is built to go with you and keep up every mile. 30 years of Keystone, proven in the wild.